Hey, this is Ryan, and in today's video I'm going to cover CodePipeline. This is similar to Jenkins, where it allows continuous integration and continuous delivery. I'm going to demonstrate the tutorial that I found from CloudPath, and here's the YouTube video that I followed, so I'll link this below. And he has a GitHub link that you can fork. Just copy this link and you can fork it. And here's my repo that I forked. So this app is a Node.js app, and I downloaded this locally. So just I'll give you a quick demonstration of what it is. If I type node app.js, have it running locally, the localhost 3001. Okay, so this is our app. Our application is a Node.js application that provides read, write, and delete functionality for musicians. If I type in Elvis Presley, rock, add musician, and here you go. So here's another overview of what we'll do in this project. The goal of this project is to create a CI/CD pipeline on AWS using CodePipeline and Elastic Beanstalk. Our source code is a Node.js application on this GitHub repo. Whenever we commit changes to our application in the GitHub, it will trigger our AWS CodePipeline instance to start the deployment process. CodePipeline will deploy our application to our target web server, which is set up in the Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, go over to AWS, type in Elastic Beanstalk, create application, call this musician app -1, platform, Node.js. This is fine, this is fine. Just leave it as sample application, create application. All right, so this will take a few minutes to set up our environment. Okay, our environment is set up now. We got the green check mark for health, so that means everything looks good there. Here's our link, so if you were to click this, this will take us to our app. All right, now that our environment is set up, we want to create our pipeline. So open up a new tab, type in AWS CodePipeline, create a pipeline. Let's give it a name. I called this musician app pipeline. New service role. This is fine. And next. Okay, let's just name -1 because I tried this one before. So next. Source provider. Choose GitHub version 2. And this is where you'll have to connect your GitHub. So if we tried connect to GitHub, I think since I did this a moment ago, we'll try this again. We'll do GitHub Node.js app, connect to GitHub. Let's try connect. Okay. I'll select this, whatever that is, and connect. All right, so it gave me a new connection. We need to select our repo. This is under musician app. Branch name, that'll be master. And we will leave this with the default settings, so whenever you make a new commit, it'll automatically deploy your pipeline. Next. This is optional. We'll skip the build stage. And for deploy, we want to use, where are you at? Elastic Beanstalk to deploy. Our region matches. Application name, musician app -1, environment, next. Create pipeline. Pipeline has been created. Okay, well, I think we'll give it a few more seconds and let this upload. Okay, Beanstalk is updating our environment. All right, so our environment is ready. If we open this link, here's our app. Now we want to make another test. So going back to CodePipeline. Let's try updating. Go to store data. Let's edit this. Here's our musician names. Go back to our app. This is where you can see our current artist genre. Let's try copying this line right here. Got to change our key. Let's change this to Elvis. Commit. Okay, this succeeded. Let's go back to our app. And here is our new entry from our recent update. Elvis Presley, genre rock. Okay, so that was pretty easy to use. I think it's a little bit easier than Jenkins, personally. And if you want to delete this, you just go to your, let's go to pipeline first, select our pipeline, delete. Don't need that anymore. And then going back to Elastic Beanstalk, you can also delete your environment. Sure, let's refresh. Okay, terminate. All right, see you next time.